Nice little shark, not so little actually.
There he is.
There he is. There it is. It's a 30-incher almost. Nice. It's giving him a fight. Look at Kirsten. There he is. Right there. Alright. Oh! Yeah. Easy boy. Easy shark.
He's mad because he's poked in the eye.
Oh man. Yes, he is mad already. You need the net? You want me to get the net?
Nope.
Snapped off. Good job, buddy. Good job. Second shark of the day for you.
Yep.
Damn! Woo! Abigail's gonna love it.